Hey guys, Francis here. In this video, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how to make $100 by uploading simple pictures. Alright, now the cool part about this is that it is a worldwide method. Alright, you can do this at your free time. Okay, maybe just have an extra time from work, you can actually do this. Alright, and you can also use your DSLR camera or your smartphone, okay, to perform these tasks. Alright, it is something very simple and you can do. And the cool part about it is that you can either choose to invest a little bit of money into it, or you can do this for completely free. Okay, and the bonus tip I'm going to be giving you before the end of this video is that I'll show you a place where you can get pictures that is not yours, that you have the rights to use, okay, and you can use that to make money with this particular platform. Alright, so if this is your first time on stopping by on my channel, my name is Francis Abogonye. I make entrepreneurship videos, I do make money online methods like this one, and I document my journey on this YouTube channel. So if you like videos such as this, I invite you to hit the red subscribe button, tick the little bell notification icon so that I'll send you a notification whenever I put out videos like this one, okay, so that you don't miss out on anything. And if you want my #1 recommendation to making money online, I'm going to leave that in the description of this video. It's going to be the first link in the description. In the comment section of this video, let me know what you think about this video, what your thoughts are. If there's any way I should have made this better, you can let me know that in the comments. And also let me know how much you would like to make on a daily basis so that I can make future content, okay, tailored to your goals. So now the name of this website is called FOAP, okay, FOAP.com, okay. And how this works is in 3 different ways. All right, the first way is you can sell your pictures on this platform. The second way is you can enter for a challenge, and the third way is that you can enter for a premium challenge. All right, let me just say 2 ways actually, because first one is actually selling your pictures yourself, second one is entering for a challenge. So how this platform works is just, you can see big brands, okay, come here to get pictures. Also, it works more of like Shutterstock. If you know what Shutterstock is all about, all right, they work in similar pattern. Also, they have videos and pictures people can come here and buy on this platform right here. So what you're going to be doing to make money with this platform is you will come to this section right here where they say creators. All right, the first way is you come to this section where they say for creators. Okay, then you come to active mission. All right, and on active mission right here, you can see this particular challenge right here where they are looking for people who can they are looking for pictures, actually photos, professional photos performing the following tasks, or the visual technical school. Okay, they're looking for pictures like this. All right, and over 145 photos have been uploaded for this challenge right here. And the reward for this is $100. Actually, one person is going to win this, and there's just 3 days left for this challenge. All right. Now, to get an idea on how to get pictures, or pictures that are tailored to what they actually want right here, that you can take. Now, you can use your smartphone, okay, and go out and take pictures that they're looking for, or you can do it in your office because they're asking for people who are performing audiovisual technical tasks, okay, and all that. So you can come in here, click here. All right, when the page loads, you see you can see 145 photos here. You can see other people have uploaded their own photo on this platform. Okay, so you can get an inspiration, you can get ideas of what they really want and the kind of pictures you can post on this platform right here. Okay, now there are a bunch of pictures right here. Most of them look cool, and you can actually do better. Since you're already seeing what people have posted, you can actually improve on your own photos for them to be more detailed and get the most out of it. So you stand a chance of winning this reward right here, okay, of $100. All right, and you can do this over and over again. There are a bunch of missions that keep popping up on this particular platform right here. Not long ago, I was just scrolling through here. This particular mission was not here, but just now it just popped up, and it's actually a premium mission. Actually, I'll talk about it in a moment. This is another one right here. This one has 7 days to go. You can actually jump on this right now and take pictures regarding to this. All right, all you have to do is to go in there and see what other people are posting. Okay, and actually one person is going to win this. All right, and it's not that hard to do. You don't have anything to lose. All you have to do is just to go there, post a couple of pictures, and you stand a chance of winning this reward right here. Okay, now the second way you can make money with this particular platform here is through the premium section. Okay, it's through the premium missions. All right, this premium mission has a lot of people that jump in on this one because the reward tends to be higher. All right, the rewards tends to be higher than this one that is actually free. All right, so you get to spend a little bit of money to become to be able to enter for this challenge right here. Now, to get access to that, okay, what you have to do is to buy some FOP coin. Okay, you have to buy some coins, okay, to enter for the premium missions. Okay, to enter for some of these premium missions, you have to get some coins. Okay, and this is the amount they charge for the coins right here. This one is for $3, $4, $8 right here. And this with this one, you get to post. You get access to 1 premium mission. This one you get access to 3 premium missions. This one is about 5 premium missions. All right. So if you have a little bit of money to invest for this, you can actually invest that. Okay, so you can get access to multiple premium missions and stand the chance to win a lot of money on this platform. You can see they say win as much as $1,500 on premium mission. The cool part about premium mission is that you can earn more money with it. Now, some people keep complaining that they don't see results with this platform, while others are making a killing out of it. All right. Now, when you hover to this section right here where they say sell your content, okay, this is the third way you can actually make money with this platform. Time to make extra money with your videos and photos. Okay, so just stick with me in a moment. I'll be sharing with you guys the bonus tip that I said I'll be sharing with you guys on how to get photos, okay, to post on this particular platform and still stand a chance to win money with this platform. All right. And the cool part about this is that you can do this at your leisure time, at your free time, maybe after you're done from work. Okay. Now they have the application for Android and iOS. Okay, so you can over to the Play Store and download this app so that it will be easy for you to use. Okay, just download the app, start taking pictures with your phone and start entering for some of these missions right there, and also posting pictures to stand the chance to win money. So to make extra cash with this, okay, as a creator, what you do basically is to post pictures, and pictures on this platform, if you choose to sell your own pictures, okay, when you're selling your own pictures on this platform cost around $10, all right, and you're splitting the money 50-50 with the FOP platform, okay, you tend to split it 50-50, so you get to earn $5 whenever somebody comes to this platform to buy your pictures. Now, all they have to do is when you hover to this marketplace right here, you see a bunch of pictures right here. They say over 40 million creative photos for commercial use. You can see a bunch of pictures right here. Okay, like I said, you can take pictures with your phone and all that. So some of these pictures right here are for sale. Okay, most of them are for sale, and people can come and buy them. Okay, people can come to buy these pictures. All right, people who want to do advertisement, people who want to create campaigns and all that can come here to buy these pictures, and they can also be used for so many other things. All right. Now, whenever somebody buys your picture for $10, all right, you get to keep $5. While the FOP platform, they get to keep $5 also. So you can make extra cash by selling pictures on this platform. All right. So these are the 3 ways you can make money with this platform. For the bonus tip I actually said I'm going to be sharing with you guys is for you to enter for some of these offers, right? Some of these missions right here, okay, some of these free missions where you don't have to get any FOP coin, all right, for you to enter for some of these free missions and stand a chance to win some of this reward, you have to post pictures, okay, that are a little bit better than some of this ones, so you stand a better chance. Now, to get free pictures that are not even yours, all right, all you have to do is to go to free stock website. There are a bunch of them out there. All you can basically do is to come to Google and type in free stock websites. Free stock website. There are a bunch of them out there. I mostly know, and the ones I like is Pexels, Unsplash, Pixabay, and all that. You can see some of them here. Pexels, you can see Pixabay, you can see Unsplash, just like I made mention. All right. So when we go to Pexels and Unsplash, let me open up Unsplash. You can see I mostly go to this platform a lot. You can see a bunch of pictures right here. Okay, crisp pictures, very nice and beautiful pictures. A little bit more better than what we are seeing here, because these pictures are professionally are being taken by professional photographers. Okay, and they are free to use. Okay, they are free to use, commercial use. You can use them for anything you want, okay, because this is a free stock website. All right, you can use these pictures for anything you want to use them for, and you will not get into trouble with anybody. Okay, you have the right to use them. That is why they call them free stock websites. Okay, so this is how you can basically make money with the FOP platform. Okay, all you have to do is to come here and start posting pictures. Okay, post your own pictures okay, and sell your pictures on the platform. Another thing is to enter for missions. Okay, you can choose to enter for some of these missions because you stand a chance of winning the rewards right here. And if you can spend a little bit of extra cash, you can get the FOAP coin, okay, so that you can enter for premium missions also and win more money. All right, so that's basically how you can make money with this particular platform. A lot of people say they see a lot of success with it. You can just type that into Google to see the reviews people are leaving for this platform, and some of those people are not seeing success. Maybe they don't stay consistent and all that, but you stand a chance of making money with this platform if you can stick with it. All right, now we've come to the end of this video. If you find any value in this, be sure to give this video a thumbs up. I want you to watch this next video by my left right here, and subscribe if you haven't subscribed. If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe so that you don't miss out on my next content. All right, now I'll leave a link in the description of this video for you to check out my #1 recommendation to make money online, consistent income every single month. So with that being said, I'll be seeing you guys in my next video. Bye for now.